Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come to you guys really quickly about this hair that I had on my vacation. So if you guys watched my last vlog, you will see that I had my hair braided when I went to Orlando. I really wanted to get my hair braided, but I didn't have time because I booked my trip so last minute. So basically I made my own unit with some crochet braids in the back, and I'm going to show you guys the back right now. This is the back of the hair. Basically the back is crocheted and the front, can y'all see the front? The front are individual braids that I did myself. So I took an old frontal from one of my old wigs and I just sewed that frontal onto a mesh cap, and then I did individual braids onto this unit. So, you know, your girl had to improvise because I didn't have time to get my hair braided. So I'm going to show you guys in the video today how I got this braided look. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Oh, and do y'all like my shirt? All my ladies say, hey Zaddy, where he at? I don't know. Anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I already have 3 braids on my cap. This is the wig cap that I'm using. I gotta have 20-inch braids. This is Expressions, y'all. Expressions is the best braiding hair. It's already pre-looped. I also got some regular Expressions braiding hair for the front. I have this big needle right here. It's like, you can see it's kind of curved at the end. Okay, you guys, so like I was saying, you can see how far along I am. I got cut off and I forgot to start recording back, but so I just stick the needle through the loop and we're gonna go in. I'm gonna come up here, stick it through the mesh cap, pull it through like this so that the braid is in between. Can y'all see that? And then I'm going to pull it so that it's long enough that I can tie. I'm still holding my needle and holding the thread so that the braid doesn't fall off of the thread. I tie my knots 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. I just take the end of the braid, push it through the loop, and then I just pull the loop through like you do in a normal crochet. So you're just going to keep going all throughout the cap. And since I'm getting closer to the dome, this is just, don't laugh at my frontal, y'all, but this is just the old frontal that I had from one of my wigs. I cut this frontal off from my old wig cap. This is the back portion right here. And just so that I don't bring my braids too far forward, I'm going to go ahead and pull it a little bit forward. I pulled it a little bit more forward than what I normally do because this is an old frontal and the hairline is kind of pushed back a little bit. I'm going to take my T-pins and put my T-pins along the back of the wig so that I have a guideline of where to stop my braids. So y'all can see. Woo! So just stick one right there. Got that. But her head bent back. Okay, so you can see how far above the cap my wig is. Out of the way, because I want to braid that next, and we're going to continue to do the braids. One of the braids, right? See the pre-loop? So I just go through the mesh cap, right? Pull it through, cuts, and then I'm just going to tie it. Tie, make a knot. Then I cut off the extra thread. I'm gonna push the end through that loop just like it's a regular crochet. Pull it through the loop and it's just like a regular box braid. And you just keep going up the cap until you get the desired fullness. Now I'm skipping a lot because I don't want this wig to be extra bulky or anything. Okay, you guys, so basically I finished the back of the hair, like braiding it. So I just took the frontal and flat ironed it just to make it easier to do my box braids. But you can see The back is complete. I basically sewed the frontal down to the cap, and I'm going to take my expressions hair and just braid regular box braids throughout the hair. Okay, you guys, and I braided most of the wig, and I left out some baby hairs, and I just have 2 sections left. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. So basically I separated my last 2 pieces and I made them pretty big. So I'm just going to put some Eco Styler gel on the roots to tame the flyaways. All right, so basically I'm going to grab the hair and I'm going to pull it through the middle. So now I have hair from the wig on the left and both the sections for the braided hair to my right. So now I twist both pieces of the braided hair, and then I pull the hair from the wig right through the middle, and that makes a knot. Once you make the knot, I just braid it down as if it is a regular braid. And y'all, like I said, I am by no means a braider. Y'all see how I'm holding my hands? I just hold my hands like this, like when I'm first securing the hair, like onto the braiding hair onto the wig hair, because I want to make sure that it's tight and as close to the root as I can get it.
Support reach.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys one last time on the last braid that I have left. So like I said, what I do is just take the braiding hair around it and I pull the braiding hair to the right and I have the wig hair to the left. Twist the braiding hair together like that, and it kind of just makes a knot around the braid. And then I bring the wig hair back through the middle, and then you just start braiding it like a regular, like 3-strand braid. Okay, you guys, my phone cut out right when I was braiding towards the end, but basically all I did was braid towards the end, and as you can see, this is the final product of what my wig looks like. See all the braids. So I'm just gonna go in and add like some jewels. I might go add a few more braids into the back. I don't really think that is needed, but I'm gonna try it on my head to see what it looks like. And yeah, I think overall for my first time ever doing this, came out really good.
Support reach.